Hello viewers, let's continue our SQL series, and now we have to solve one more question which is of basic join, which is confirmation rate. Okay, so here is given a question and the table, that sign up table, and the column name is user ID and a timestamp. Okay, so the type is given int and date type. User ID is a column of unique value for this table. Each row contains information about the sign up time. So let's understand with an example here. So there is given a two tables, sign up and confirmation. Okay. So user ID is basically a unique means it is in primary key, and here is in confirmation table there is given user ID and timestamp as in primary key. Okay, means combining combination of both. Okay, so you have the confirmation rate of an user is a number of confirm message divided by the total number requested by confirmation message. The confirmation rate of an user that did not request confirmation is 0. Round round the confirmation rate to the two decimal places. Okay, so we have to write the solution to find the confirmation rate of each user. Okay, we have to round the confirmation rate to the two decimal places. Okay, so here is return the result in any order. We can return the result in any order. Let's understand with an example. So here is given a sign up table and the confirmation table. Okay, so here is given a sign up table and confirmation table. Here is given a user ID, timestamp, user ID, timestamp, and action. Okay, so you just have to only take. Okay, so here is given user 6 did not request any confirmation messages. User 6 does not. Okay, timestamp is 10. User 6 okay, confirmation message. So user 6 did not receive any kind of confirmation message. Okay, user 6 is here, and user 3 made two requests and both timeout. User 3 made two requests and both the time is out. Okay, the confirmation rate is 0. Okay, confirmation rate is 0, and for 7 you have to carry all the user ID. Okay, you have to take all the user ID and you just have to find the confirmation. You just have to find the confirmation rate. Okay, for every user ID. So here is given a 6. There is no confirmation, so the confirmation rate is 0. For 3, there is timeout action, so there is no confirmation rate. But for 7, they all are confirmed. Okay, they are confirmed, so the confirmation rate is 1, direct 1. Okay, and for 2, there is one confirm and another is timeout, so the confirmation is 0.5. Okay, so I hope you understand what this question is telling. So let's write the code, SQL code here. First you have to select you have to print user ID. Okay, I will write after this statement. I just have to get from sign up table, sign up s. Okay, and then you just have to do left join confirmation C. Okay, and then you just have to do on s dot user ID equals to C dot user ID. Okay, and then you just have to do group by s dot user ID. Okay, so I hope you understand the basic understanding of this code, and now I have to write the select statement, which is you have to select s dot user id, okay, and then you have to do round if null sum, okay, you have to do sum because c dot action, c is basically confirmation and you have to check whether it is confirm or not, okay. So confirm, okay, and then you have to do count c dot action comma 0 comma 2, okay, and you have to rewrite as confirmation, okay, confirmation rate. So let's run this code. Yeah, this code works fine. Let's submit this. Yeah, this has been accepted. Thanks for watching.